artists, are you ready to draw a beautiful spring garden and water the flowers? Let's grab our markers and start drawing together, step by step.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's draw some circles for the flowers. Now draw petals all around each circle. Great job! Now draw a stem under each flower. Add some cute leaves on the stems. Awesome! Let's draw more flowers the same way. Now add some grass at the bottom. Short, spiky lines. Now let's make our flowers happy. Draw 2 eyes and a smiling mouth on each flower. Now let's draw a watering pot. First, draw the nozzle. Then draw the round barrel. Add a handle on top and another handle on the side. Now draw some water drops coming out from the nozzle. Splash, splash. Finally, draw some fluffy clouds in the sky. Nice job, everyone! Our spring garden drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Take out your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Let's color together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, your garden looks so beautiful. Great work, little artists. Keep drawing and keep smiling. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.